As you could tell, I have a gold theme going on. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna decorate my kitchen coffee bar, and I am so excited to be doing this. I have been planning out this for a while, and I appreciate all the support that was given to me on my last video. I decorated my living room and also my tablescape in my kitchen. So if you haven't looked at that video, stop this video right now and head over there and watch it, or watch it after this video. So I want to share with you the knickknacks and the decor items that I picked up before I start decorating. I'm so happy that you decided to join me today. And also, I hope that you stick around to see how I'm decorating and how everything turned out. So let's just go ahead and jump into the little decorations that I picked up. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I laid everything, well, not everything, but just about everything that I purchased on this carpet so you can see everything. Like this sign right here, gather with grateful hearts, and also like this cute little candle holder. These two came from at home. I picked those up from there, as well as these little cute pumpkin jar holders, and this came from the Dollar Tree, this little gold and white pumpkin. And then I got this leaf, this gold leaf from Big Lots. It was $10. I thought that was a good steal. It's really big and exactly what I was looking for. I got these cute little leaf string lights, Dollar Tree. These candles as well. And guys, I got this from the Dollar Tree. These candles, these tea lit candles smell so good, like pumpkin. I was surprised, and for $1, like that was a good find. I got this from Target. It was screaming my name when I seen it, and guess what? I only paid $3 for this wood word decor hello fall sign. Isn't this too cute? And this is a steal as well. And I also picked up this clear pumpkin, and it actually lights up. It comes with the batteries. This was really cute. I got this from Joann's, and this one was 60% off when I picked it up. They had an amazing deal. So yeah, this, oh guys, and this, my new obsession. This came from Amazon. These are my new coffee stirrers, like coffee spoon stirrers. Look at the little diamond on top, how glam and cute that is. You know, I love my glam. So yeah, these are the items that will be decorated in my kitchen, and I'm gonna jump into decorating after this.
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí.
I love fall candles, and this Hello Fall one smells so delightful. Just, I haven't lit it yet, but it smells so delightful. I wish you guys can smell it.
Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi.
These little cute coffee stirrers are heaven. You can use it for coffee and tea, like I mentioned before, but I had to pick these up, and they're gold. Listen, and I figured it would be really cute for my little decor. Just add it to the little mix.
nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba aún así. Desde que te vi, buscaba aún así. Y por fin te conseguí.
Hey my loves, this is the future D Lovely here. I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. After going back and forth and adjusting the coffee cups to my liking, I settled with the white and leaf cup underneath the curate and the sweater weather underneath the gold leaf. In the comment section down below, please let me know which one you think I should leave in the gold leaf, or should I just leave it like it is? If you enjoy videos like this and if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so now, and don't forget to hit that notification button. And for my oldies but goodies, thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I will chat with you in the comments. Bye.